Welcome to Laurel Smith of Chicago, Illinois, nonprofit home video and artworks creations. In this particular video, we will be looking at the biblical light that became flesh in the King James Bible after living 9 months within the bar-shaped female earth oval. When we recognize that the ancient solar theology of the book of Genesis 49 chapter and 8 verse, the fourth son of Jacob, who is now couched down in front of the Isaiah 19:19 Giza pyramids, as the Ethiopian couching lion sphinx of ancient Judaism of Giza and Gaza and Jerusalem. We must look at the bar-shaped sphere of the globe Earth as representing, in Biology 101, we see it as the bar-shaped female earth oval, where the same solar hydrogen light that's traveling 93 million miles away across the black outer regions of space towards the north and south pole areas of the basic bar-shaped Earth is seen entering into the magnetic field lines that are like a rotating tornado. So two magnetic field-like tornadoes is entering into the north and south pole area of the basic bar-shaped Earth. Now when we look at the bar-shaped female earth oval, we see the epithelial cells that make up the basketball-shaped earth oval cell walls. In this manner, we see the holy hydrogen light of creation within the epithelial cells interacting with the magnetic field of the bar-shaped female earth oval. Now, when this occurs, we see a magnetic fetus 7 line being created by hydrogen light interacting with the magnetic field lines. And the best way in which I could describe this occurrence within the bar-shaped female earth oval is to use the figure 8 pattern flowing to a bar magnet of the magnetic field, in which resembles a figure 8 pattern. Now when you take a figure 8 magnetic field and place it within a circle, we're talking about the circle flowing around the chemical circular area of the human cell, the holy hydrogen light creation circle, in which the King James Bible speaks of as the biblical light that became flesh. So here's where we see the figure 8 pattern flowing to a bar magnet the size of your little pinky finger, a piece of iron, a thin strip of iron, a bar magnet. Now if you place a bar magnet within a circle of the holy hydrogen light of creation, then we would see that the figure 8 pattern, if you draw that same figure 8 pattern within a circle on a blank piece of paper, then where the left and right ends of the figure 8, a horizontal figure 8 within a circle on a blank sheet of paper, where the left and right ends of the figure 8 interacts with the circle, we see the tornado magnetic field patterns flowing through the north and south pole area of planet Earth. So if you put your finger in the center of a horizontal figure 8, within a circle. Okay, so if you put your finger in the center of a horizontal figure 8, which represents the bar magnetic field, you're putting your finger at the tip of two tornadoes or two cones. So this is how we equate the magnetic field flowing. This is how I equate the magnetic field flowing through the bar-shaped female earth oval as a rotating tornado-like magnetic field. In other words, a miniature black hole. Now what we're talking about is space moving in the form of a spiral. This is what astronomers refer to as a black hole. So when we talk about the holy hydrogen light creation interacting with the magnetic field of the bar-shaped Earth, okay, we're talking about the interaction of hydrogen light with the magnetic field, which causes 7 glowing rainbow circles in the north and south pole area of the basic bar-shaped Earth. And when we look at the creation of all microcellular living bacteria cells, we see the biblical light that became flesh, as spoken of in 1 John 1:1, as Malachi 4:2 winged sun is solar hydrogen light traveling 93 million miles away across the black outer regions of space. As it interacts with the north and south pole magnetic field areas of the basic bar-shaped Earth, in the same manner in which the epithelial cells-based holy hydrogen light of creation interacts with the magnetic field within the bar-shaped female Earth oval. We see that the living circles of bacteria cells is nothing but living circles of the holy hydrogen light of creation. This is why we see peanut-shaped bacteria cells with blue, green, and yellow light around them, and circular-shaped bacteria cells in all of the garden cells around the world. Now, when we look at the human cell 75, a million times magnified in Biology 101 with the electron microscope, we see the holy hydrogen light of creation glowing in this around the chemical circular area of the human cell in this iodized circular holy hydrogen light of creation plasma form. So this tells us that the ball-shaped female Earth oval, as a representation of the Earth, is giving birth to Malachi 4:2 winged sunness, 15 billion year old sunstone.
Thanks.